Hey everyone, so check out this really awesome haunted house that I made today at work. So we have giant spider web, creepy witch, anyway, a Frankenstein. It looks really cool in the dark though. So this is all stuff that I had, and when you put it all in one room, and actually Xander, like this is Xander's. He has all the scary stuff, like this black cat is mine, but it looks really cool. And then we've used this in a lot of videos. And then little ghosts and everything. Oh yeah, here, wait, let me turn this on. But it looks really, really awesome. Like, just everything together. So we've been filming with this today, and I'm sure you'll see more, but it's pretty cool. I want to put this Frankenstein around my cutie car, because seriously, he's that big that he can go around with the cutie car just fine. And oh my gosh, the cat's touching me. That's really funny though. Oh yeah, and we have ghosts on the wall. I think I should have ghosts over here too. It's just kind of, yeah, maybe over there a little bit. And the boo. It's all pretty cool. Take it down. So here, watch this. So we'll have Frankenstein go down. Everything is on like one plug over here. Okay. Let's see him fall. Oh, he's stuck on these lights. Ah!
Wow!
Is that huge?
Yeah, and it's gonna like be a huge like tiny kid.
It's gonna be a huge mess in here.
The nice thing about this bag is that it's soft, so you can fall asleep with it.
Oh, which one? This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll also turn off the cat.
Okay. So hold on over here. Okay, 2 plugs. 1, 2. Oh, wait a minute. I think this one. Oh, is that this ghost? What's going off? Oh, it's this. Oh, that's weird. Okay, wait.
Okay,
the cat?
Do that.
Okay. Oh, now I have to go underneath. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. This and this. Okay. Let's see it fall. Ah! Yeah, the ghost is just hanging on the light bulb there. That's pretty cool. The janitor's going to go in here and be like, what in the world happened here?
What?
The guy who cleans the building.
Wait, he comes in here?
Yeah, every night to take out the garbage. Let's see the pumpkin.
Do you think you'll get this?
Oh, no. I mean, yeah, he'll know it's something Halloween in here.
It's gonna fall.
Is it gonna fall? It's sinking. Okay, seriously, look how messy this is. This is pretty cool though. Oh, let me move this guy. There we go.
I didn't even notice the pumpkin.
Yeah, I had him hid it in there. Found the Pikmi Pop in the office. So you want to open it? You're so cute. Oh, wait. Oh, is it another blue one?
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Which one do we get? Does it smell like blue raspberry? You can flip it. Oh. Oh.
It's the same one.
Oh, it is the same one. Aw, it's so cute. Wait, let me see it close
up. But we have the same one with the, it's like the same one without a bow.
Ah. Yeah, I like the tail though. That's cute.
Yeah, we have the same one.
Alrighty, so we got this brand new Yellies box from Hasbro. I have no idea what it is besides maybe like a
yells?
Yeah, like a yelling spider.
I think it's
I really haven't. Wait. Hold on. Wait. You're supposed to wait. So it says insert hand here. Guess what's inside? Oh, maybe a bug. Here, do you want to feel?
I thought
here.
It's like a monster.
Here, wait.
It looks like a monster. Oh yeah. Should we open it?
Wait. Hold on.
I think it's like rubbery. Okay.
Is it rubbery? Yeah.
Sort of.
Okay.
It feels fuzzy.
Okay, wait. Let me feel on this side.
Same.
Yeah, fuzzy and then some legs. I'm guessing a spider.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. What does it say too? Hold on.
Multiple eyes.
Let's see. Feel around to guess. Face towards front of audience.
Here's
Okay.
the front.
Okay. Okay, are you ready? I'm backing up. Okay, ready, set. Whoa. Weird. Oh, those are kind of cute.
Those are spiders. See, like the legs are like fluffy.
Yeah, hey, this is perfect for Halloween. We can do it in our Halloween videos.
hold on.
Oh, yeah, wait, yeah, close
What
it.
is that?
Oh, it's this thing.
Oh, it's
Hey, wait.
that
So,
wire. I think like when you open it, like the white, it like closes. I think
Yeah.
and it holds that.
oh, oopsie. Yeah.
Oh.
My bad. Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
I pushed it.
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
that's kind of cool. It's like, ah, these are cute.
That's cool. Like this box is pretty cool.
Yeah, this box is cool.
Okay.
Wait, now I can
I
feel it
try?
better. Yeah, here, let me try. Here, so
I
we can get
called
them
the
out.
orange one.
Oh, so they have wheels. Okay, hold on, let me get scissors and I'll get them out. Question is,
I
what is
called the
more
orange-
scary? Alex's hand coming through here, or the spiders, or that scream? There we go. They're pretty cute. So can we turn them on?
So like you put it in there.
Oh, they light up.
Hey,
Oh, that's
look,
cool.
Look,
Yeah. Oh.
look.
Oh, there's more. Cool.
Yay.
Oh, it's the whole set. Sweet.
I called the blue one.
Okay.
I called the pink.
Oh, this would be really, really good for Halloween videos. I'm
Yeah.
excited for these. They're cute.
I called the smaller.
Yeah, so there's 6 total little blinks, fuzzbo,
Oh.
frizz, toots, Wilmington, and
Wait,
wiggly wiggles.
We're only missing. We're missing
Yeah.
a few.
No, because I think we have. There's
But we
6.
don't have this one. Yeah, but
Oh,
we
okay.
have this and this one.
Oh, okay. Okay. So almost the whole set. That's pretty cool. That's really awesome. There's some hidden in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. We'll have it go here. Dude, that's going to totally freak people out. Oh yeah, do you want to put it on the tile? That's cute. Yeah, spider! Oh, here, let's put it on the tile. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, that one's good too.
Yeah,
I think this. Hey, that one's fun. Okay, that one's cool.
those are pretty cute. Uh-oh. Yeah. We just got these from Hasbro. That's cool. That's it. Where did it go?
I like the green one. That's
Yeah, the green and pink one. Okay, that one's yours. Which one do you want, Alex?
the blue one.
Okay, then I'll have the orange.
Wait,
Ah.
now I have the orange and blue.
Wait, what? Okay, let's see in action. Right. Da 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 da. So if you yell at it, once it go. Ah!
No, wait.
moves
No,
faster.
it tracks the sound. Here's
Oh.
the speaker.
Okay.
Hey, wait.
Oh. Here, wait. Teach your kids to be loud. Here, wait, do it, Alex. That's cool.
Wait, not
That's really cool.
That's pretty cool.
That is really cool.
It's a spider. Hit.
So this is the packaging. The louder you yell, the faster they go. So that's kind of cool. Oh, I hear one moving right now. So it was funny because I was like, why are they called Yellies? And now I'm like, that's why they're called Yellies. They're really cute though. I actually like them a lot. Right, we are wrapping some presents because little Alex is going to a birthday party today of your bestest friend, right?
Not bestest.
Oh yeah, but your best school friend.
Yes.
Yeah, so you picked out all of these. We have a storage unit of toys that, because sometimes we get duplicate toys. So these are our duplicate toys. These are actually cool. It's like a Nerf laser gun, but you can use your phone with it, but you don't have to have a phone, which is nice. Yeah, mobile device not required, which is nice. And then this is actually really cool, the Nitro. So it's like a Nerf gun that shoots cars, and you can have cars try to shoot down these things. So I think you'll have fun. Do you know what kind of party you're doing, Bunny? Sorry, I'm putting you on the spot.
A roller skate.
Yep, yeah, so Hopefully you'll do well with your roller skating moves. Can I see some?
I don't know, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. Like, I hope you don't fall. We'll see.
I fall every time it involves roller skating or...
Have you been roller skating before?
No, but I feel like it's just as hard as ice skating.
Yes, yeah. It's a little easier, but not bad. You're doing a good job with that rolling paper. Woo, can't talk.